foreseen impacts. Are there positive risks or opportunities for community investment and CSR? Mostly in different projects, we propose some CSR activities for the local communities surrounding the project site. In ADNOC, there is a centralized at ADNOC level, there is a CSR program where all the group companies contribute. So at that level, ADNOC Offshore is also doing, is part of that program. But at project level, this question is about the project level. So there are no communities. So no CSR activities are anticipated. No specific opportunities or initiatives, investments identified at this stage on the project, or for the project. Is it okay? ADNOC team can confirm, are they are interested in any CSR activities at project level? Is someone from ADNOC, if they can confirm? Anyhow, as per my experience with other operators and also ADNOC Offshore, at project level, we are not doing, the companies are not doing CSR programs, they are doing it at ADNOC level. So this is question number 22. Have all stakeholders been consulted about the selected development concept, risk identification and assessment and mitigation and compensation measures? As part of this project, engagement with relevant stakeholders carried out with, as part of this project, engagement with relevant stakeholders carried out with institutional stakeholders as per requirement. As per requirement. So this is up to FEED stage. Then we had EPC stage questions which are not relevant at this stage. We can just put. So we can remove this last section. This is about the checklist. As we can see, most of our questions are irrelevant at this stage, not applicable. Some questions were identified as low risk, mostly about the fishing activities and also about the road transport. So the mitigation measures are two types. One, the engagement with the relevant stakeholders, and the second is about the transport traffic management plan. So these are the recommendations and the impact assessment. Therefore, the overall impact is also unmitigated, and mitigated is assessed as, is concluded as low risk. Any questions? Hello?
Yes, we can hear you.
Okay, I thought no one is here. So we have concluded the checklist. If there are any questions, we can discuss it further. Otherwise, I will go to the next about the stakeholder, which is not part of this workshop, but for the development of the documents, it's better to have uh, a, a better understanding of that stakeholder mapping. Uh, if there are no questions, I will go to the stakeholder mapping. I assume there are no questions. Okay.